All right, next up is this bad boy, and it'll come off pretty easy. I think this will be the simplest thing. So to replace it, I went with everyone in the world suggestion and got a Ricochet, which came with a sweet sticker and all this hardware. Anyways, let's get her off. All right, well, it is 10 o'clock at night and it's a week later, and it is time to finish this up. But I'm actually going right in the morning, so I just want to show you a quick thing. Here we have the 2 skid plates. Look at this. It is like barely anything here compared to the Ricochet. Like, that's not even a comparison. Like, is this even a skid plate? Anyways, I'm gonna slap her on. I'm gonna ride in the morning. When I get back, I'm gonna finish up my other projects on the bike and finish up my video, and everyone's gonna enjoy it. So thanks for watching. All right, well, I'm back. It's time to finish this up. Got a couple more things to do. I already put the skid plate on the other day because I wanted to go riding and I didn't want to wait to make a movie about it, but it's on there. Now I just got a couple more things to put on. Bye. Okay, so I've got the seat cushion. A Mad Dog Coleman, I think, makes it. Anyways, gotta be more comfortable than the seat I have on now. And then I've got these panniers, well, saddlebags, whatever you want to call them. I'm not 100% sure how to put these on, so that'll be a learning experience. Anyways, I'm gonna slap them on, and then I'll show you how it turned out. All right, well, I got the first step done. It was pretty easy to put on. You had to kind of finagle the seat back on, but yeah, it's nice. Sit on it. This is the face of a man whose butt is very comfortable right now. All right, time for the saddlebags. All right, let's see how it all came with my luggage. I've got the base, the saddlebags themselves, and got a couple waterproof sacks, and this heat shield, and the hardware. It's a lot of hardware. All right, let's get this put on. And we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be kind of complicated with my racks. All right. Okay, well, I did it. Got them on. So they sit kind of weird with the rack, but I'm happy with them. Fit lots in there. I don't like this. I'm worried it will come off and just get eaten up by the chain, but I don't know. We'll see. Came with tabs to hold them in there, but I might just end up hitting them with some black electrical tape. And then I was able to have some straps so I could strap down this duffel bag I got from North 40 just for that purpose. And yeah, this looks excellent. Yeah, I strapped it in on this rack. Now she's ready for adventures. Let's see if I can get on here. All right, yeah, I ride it comfortably. Sit on it comfortably. It's awesome. All right. Now you guys are probably wondering about why I'm so obsessed with the stickers. That reminds me, I got another one. Can you hear my dogs back there barking? All right, let's see. We got, that one came with the luggage. I go into my office, which is kind of messy, and see all my stickers. Anyways, let's see what we got. Got the Tusk. Should have some here. Fuck yeah, that Rocks one's awesome. Another Tusk. Another Tusk. another tusk. Oh man, where's my Ricochet? Got a cool one from Ricochet. Alright, well, I took a break to look for my Ricochet sticker and I can't find it anywhere. Anyways, I guess we'll have to do without for now. I'll find it. First does the rocks. There we go. And next is this tusk. I already have a bunch of the other ones, so I'm not putting those on right now. This is my motorcycle-centric cover door. T-Dub's kit's the best. Well, that's that for installing everything. I got my Adventure Tubs up and going. Thanks for sitting through this, both parts. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments. What does an Adventure Dubs need now? Anyways, thanks a lot.